Hello guys, I'm going to be talking about these three spices: ground mace, cardamom pawns, and nutmeg. Basically, nutmeg is made up of from the nutmeg tree, and this tree or nutmeg is very common and it comes from Indonesia. Nutmeg and mace are used to make they are very medicinal. They use it for medicine in the olden days for diarrhea, nausea, stomach spasms, and pains. Basically, the white ground mace, this mace spice is the back shell of a nutmeg seed. That is how we get ground mace. So they are a bit similar. Ground mace spice consists of the dry, hard back outer shell layer of a nutmeg seed. So the mace spice has a slightly warm taste and a fragrance similar to that of a nutmeg, like I mentioned earlier as well. Ground mace spice has a longer shelf lifespan mostly than other spices when stored, properly in a tightly sealed jar or container. So you can use this ground mace like you use your nutmeg as well. Put it in your chin chin, your meat pie, your anything you are doing in your marinating your meat, your fish, your prawns, anything, your stew, your soup. The same thing you use nutmeg to cook, the same thing you use ground mace to cook as well. So ground mace spice, they are very healthy as well. They are very good for our health as well. Likewise, the cardamom pond seed, they have the cardamom pond, they got the black one and the green one. This is the green one. You can boil it for 5 to 10 minutes and leave it to cool down and drink as a tea. You can use it as a tea, cardamom tea. So the health benefit for cardamom, sorry, you can pound it and marinate it, with your meat, use it in your stew, in your soup, anything you cook. You can first of all put in your hot oil in your saucepan. When it gets a little bit hot, you throw in your cardamom to fry it a little bit. Do not allow it to get burnt before you start throwing in other spices and your onions, your garlic, your ginger, your puree tomato, your chicken, your meat, whatever, and begin to stir. The flavor is so fantastic. It's phenomenal that you like it. I cannot cook without this cardamom seed. Anything I cook, and cardamom seed is like mostly used in Asian cooking, like Indian curry. And the health benefit is cardamom seed lower, hypertension or blood pressure. And cardamom seed contain cancer fighting compound. Basically, cardamom seed protect from chronic diseases, and help our digestive system. So I'm encouraging you guys to, like those who are not used to spices, because sometimes it might be hot in some people's tongue. Just start with a little, a little dab with a little baby teaspoon and put in your cooking and see how it goes. And maybe gradually you graduate from like, oh wow, I've been missing, you want more. So I will encourage you to have a go, have a trial, and see. These three spices are very fantastic in cooking. It makes your food lovely and taste with aromas. So this is all I got to say today about spices, different kind of spices. And please, if you are a new subscriber or you just dab into my video, please subscribe and go down to the conco below bell and poke and leave your comments. I welcome criticism. If you want me to improve, please drop your comment for any improvements. It's an eye opener, to learn from other people as well. I like to learn. I like to get new ideas from other people. So remain blessed and have a lovely day. And thank you for listening. And bye.